This is a very special BMW. Finished in Irish green individual color, this is a M Performance Edition M440i. Now, once in a while, BMW introduces a special edition vehicle for certain chassis. Now, the G22 M440 got its M Performance Edition, and with 5 different individual paintworks. The example I have behind here is Irish green, but there is also a Rosso Corsa red, which is a Ferrari paint. There is a Lamborghini gray, voodoo blue, as well as a blue velvet metallic, which is actually a purple. So we had 5 individual paintworks for this M Performance Edition M440, and each one came paired with a unique interior. Now I'm going to give you guys a walk around of this M440 M Performance Edition and show you guys what makes the M Performance Edition such a special car. What are the features on it with the M Performance parts, such as the carbon fiber kidney grille and front splitter. Before I do, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada. And if you guys are in the market for a BMW, feel free to reach out to me. I'm an email down below. You guys can also smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. All right, let's get into the video. So the M Performance Edition M440 Coupe is a unique car that's only coming to Canada. They're going to be producing 100 units of this special edition, 20 units for each color. So in all of Canada, you're only going to find 20 cars in Irish green with a Tartuffe interior. Now, each car is paired with an individual paintwork on the outside, M Performance forged alloy wheels, and merino leather on the inside. Now, the Irish green is also done with the Ferrari gray wheels and the Tartuffe merino leather on the inside. Now, certain cars will have one available option, and that is for laser light headlights. So this one had the laser light headlights added onto it. You could find a few of these without the laser light headlights. So what BMW does with these special edition cars is they basically fully load them from the factory, and then they also add in a lot of M Performance parts to the vehicle, so that if you were leasing the vehicle, those M Performance parts would be residualized, where normally M Performance parts, when you add them on, cannot be residualized on a lease. Now, this car, along with the 20-inch M Performance wheels, we also have a carbon fiber rear spoiler. We also have the black M Sport badge. And one thing that you can't see, but you can certainly hear, is the added M Performance exhaust system that comes with the vehicle. Take a listen. Such a beautiful sound. And then at the front, we also have the carbon fiber kidney grille, carbon fiber front splitter, as well as the 50th year anniversary emblems. Now, as for factory equipment on this car, it's pretty much fully loaded. You have the premium enhanced package, you have the digital cockpit plus for the larger infotainment screen. On the inside, we have ambient lighting, added carbon fiber trim on the inside, this upgraded merino individual leather, so very top of the line leather. This is the larger infotainment screen for the vehicle, Harman Kardon sound system on the inside. It also has the M technology package, which means it has the bigger front brake discs and the added engine oil cooler on the bottom. Now, part of that premium enhanced package, you're also going to have the comfort door access system, which will allow for proximity locking and unlocking when you come close. We also have the additional parking assistant plus with surround view. So 2 additional cameras on each mirror, a camera at the front, and the vehicle can even self-park for you. On the inside, you're also going to have the head-up display, iDrive 7 system, the M pedals, M door sills, M leather steering wheel, the 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. All this carbon fiber interior is just beautiful. And even the back seats with the merino leather, just lots of room back there. All the room that you need to expect in a coupe. Standard sunroof comes with the vehicle. Underneath the hood, you're going to have BMW's famous V58 engine. So this is going to be a single twin scroll turbocharged engine, a 6-cylinder, 3-liter, pushing out 382 horsepower with 369 pound-feet of torque. All that power is put to the wheels with the standard X-Drive system that comes with the M Sport electronic limited slip differential in the back. So that is everything that makes this M Performance Edition M440 so special. Most beautiful individual paintwork paired with a beautiful merino leather interior. If you do want to add even more M Performance Performance to it. There's a few M Performance parts that you can order. There is the M Performance side skirt that you can order. There's also a M Performance carbon rear diffuser at the back that you can add to this vehicle. There's a carbon fiber antenna cover that you can add. You can upgrade to an Alcantara steering wheel on the inside. But overall, this car is an absolute beauty out of the box. Now, the MSRP on this car is going to be $91,000 with the additional laser light headlights. Now, when I originally took the thumbnail for this video, I also had the Rosso Corsa red M440 down here as well, but had to go up for the PDI at the shop. So I'm going to finish this video off tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys the red M440 before I end this video. Okay, so this is the Rosso Corsa M440 M Performance Edition that we have. As you can see, it's sharing the similar laser light headlights, 50th year emblems, carbon fiber kidney grille, and the front splitter. Now this one does have the black 795 20-inch forged alloy M Sport wheels. Beautiful red exterior. Beautiful red exterior. So overall, this is pretty much the exact same package as the Irish green car. Harman Kardon on the inside, enhanced track package. And the really difference with this one, it has the red exterior, and on the interior, it's paired with the black merino leather. Now, the blue and the purple versions of this vehicle will also have the black leather on the inside. The only one that doesn't is going to be the gray one, which is the blue interior. Unfortunately, we're not getting that unit at our store. We only have a Voodoo Blue as the last one that we have coming in, which is to give you guys a quick look at this beautiful Ferrari red M440i. So what do you guys think of this beautiful M Performance Edition? Let me know in the comments below if you would see yourself driving this as a daily driver, or if you'd pick a different color over the Irish green. Don't forget, if you guys are in the Toronto marketplace or you know anybody in Toronto who's looking for a BMW, feel free to send me an email down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all to the end, please smash the like button, helps me out. Drop a comment, as well as subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.